Welcome to our channel. Today we how to redeem a Roblox gift card. Add credit to your account step by step clearly. First, make sure you have your Roblox gift card or digital code ready and keep it private. Check that the code is readable and not already scratched too hard or damaged. Open a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer for the easiest redemption process. Type roblox.com/redeem in the address bar and press enter. If you are not logged in, click Login and enter your Roblox username and password. Confirm you are signing into the correct account where you want the credit to be added. If you have two-step verification enabled, complete the verification code prompt. On the redeem page, locate the box that says Enter Code. Carefully type the gift card code exactly as shown, including any dashes if displayed. Double-check for common mistakes like O and 0 or I and 1 before continuing. Click the Redeem button to submit the code. Wait a moment while Roblox verifies the code and processes the redemption. If you see a success message, the gift card value has been added to your Roblox account. If the gift card includes a bonus virtual item, note the item shown on the confirmation screen. If you get an error, recheck the code and try typing it again slowly. If the error still appears, confirm the card is valid for your region and not expired or already used. To verify your balance, go to the Roblox website and click the Robux icon at the top. Look for your credit or balance section, depending on how Roblox displays it in your account. If the gift card adds store credit, you can use it during checkout to buy Robux or Premium. Click Buy Robux or Premium, then proceed until you reach the payment and confirmation page. Select Roblox credit as the payment method if it is available in your checkout options. Review the final price and confirm that your credit is being applied correctly. Complete the purchase to convert credit into Robux or to activate your subscription if you chose Premium. If you redeemed on a mobile device and cannot see credit, refresh the page or log out and back in. Avoid entering your code on unofficial websites, because Roblox codes should only be redeemed on Roblox. Never share your code in chat, comments, or with anyone claiming they will add Robux for you. If your credit does not appear after a successful message, contact Roblox support and include your proof of purchase. Keep the gift card receipt or digital email until you confirm everything is added to your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.